Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online classes. This week I had one of those lovely moments where a student of mine told me that after the last few months of working together, she now feels confident enough to bite the bullet, face her fears and take one of the Cambridge exams. She's going to be taking the Cambridge Advanced exam next month. And to be honest, I was a bit surprised that she's going for Advanced and not Proficiency, because I think she'd pass Proficiency. That said, I also think obviously she's going to pass Cambridge Advanced. So I said to her, I'm pleased to hear that you've decided to do this. I think you'll be fine. You should sail through the exam. If you sail through an exam, you pass it very, very easily. So you might hear people say things like, oh, she sailed through her end of year exams. She got straight A's in every single subject. Maybe you've met one of those annoying people who just seem to sail through life, doing really well at anything they put their hand to, all without really seeming to ever make much of an effort. You also sometimes hear about new laws sailing through Parliament without meeting any real opposition, or new deals sailing through. The company lets them happen or encourages them to happen, and they don't meet any opposition inside the company or outside of it. By the way, in case you were wondering what the opposite of sailing through an exam might be, I guess it's probably scrape through. So if the pass mark is 60%, say, and you get 61%, whew, you heave a sigh of relief because you've just about managed to scrape through the exam. If you've enjoyed this video, please do share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use sail through.